I am about to become one with the belch. Yes. That was weak. Still weak. Light. Yay. No matter what, even if they hate you for it later, and if you're doing something right, they will. If you're a good belcher and you think you can just come in and beat what I just said, then post a video response with your answer entirely in belches to the phrase that you can complete while belching. Just like I said, feel the love and rock on. Only you gotta come up with a different phrase than I did. Leave it as a video response down there. Boy. I want one too.